Hi, I am Bhavik Thakkar. Welcome to Bititude. If you want to know about the online packages for these courses, CAT, CMAT, GRE, GMAT or any other MBA entrances, please hit the I button. You will get all the required information in that particular video. Here in this video, we are going to talk about the government job exams. That is bank, staff selection, civil services aptitude test, UPSC and GPSC. Well, first of all, we have to decide one thing, which kind of coaching will be more suitable to us. That means which kind of coaching, whether it would be the online coaching or the classroom coaching, which will satisfy my personal needs, my personal requirement, right? So what we are going to do is, we are going to give you the advantages and disadvantages of both these kind of courses. So once you know the pros and cons of both these kind of the courses, it will be very easy for you to decide whether you want to go for online one or the classroom one. In case you select the online coaching, then again it becomes very important for you to decide whether you want to go for Bititude online course or you want to go for any other online course that is available in the market. So what we will do is, we will give you the comparison. We will give you an idea with certain aspects. What is the difference between these two online courses, so that it becomes very easy for you to select one of them. Well, later we will give you an idea about the Bititude online course designs. This means we will give you an idea how exactly we have designed our courses, so that we make sure that you get your conceptual clarity first. That means you get your accuracy. Look, for aptitude exam, what you want is accuracy and efficiency. First, you must be able to answer correctly, right? And second, speed, that is efficiency. So first we will make sure that your conceptual clarity is there. Once you are conceptually clear, we will work upon your speed, your efficiency. So how can you get that kind of an efficiency? We will have certain kind of fundas which will give you an idea how to hit the bullseye. That means how you can understand that this is the only calculation that you need to do, so that you can avoid the extra calculations that are here and there, right? And next important thing is, whatever calculation is needed, you must be very fast to do that, because in most of these examinations, calculators are not allowed. And even if they are allowed, many a times it is beneficial to us, because you know the calculators that are allowed are the computer screen ones. So you will have to actually pick up the mask and click on each and every digit, which will kill your time. So it's always beneficial for us not to use calculators for the unnecessary calculations. Well, once you understand this, and once you have really decided that you want to go for Bititude online courses, you can actually have a look at our various packages, so that you can select one of them. Well, so all this coming up next. All right, so let's first talk about the comparison of online courses versus classroom coaching, so that it becomes easier for us to select one of them. Well, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages. The first point is the quality of the content that you are going to get. Well, as such, if you think, if this is the same faculty, like if I am going to teach you, whether I will be teaching you in the classroom or I will be teaching you in front of the camera through the video, the quality has to be the same, right? But what happens is, when the number of students increase exponentially, if I would have got 500, 1000 students, then there will be an issue. I may not be able to teach each and every one of them. Or maybe what I'll do is, I will hire some assistant faculties in the classroom coaching for some of the topics, so that I don't have to take all the load. Fine, you can understand that. So that can happen in classroom coaching, but on the other hand, in online courses, because I can handle even 500,000 students, because all I have to do is to record a video. And even if it's a live lecture, we have got platforms where even 100,000 students can fit in, right? So I don't have to put any extra effort. With the same effort, I can reach to so many students. So you will always get that quality of content, because when somebody who is senior, who has got vast experience is teaching, and that's why you are here for, right? That's why you are listening to me, because you want to learn it from me. So if you don't want that, right? And that is why I think online courses has this particular advantage in its favor. All right, let's understand the next point. The next point is quantity of content. Well, here also you think, why should there be any difference in quantity? Whatever I am teaching you online, I should be able to teach in the classroom. Now what happens is, in the classroom, we have limited time, because we might have at the max 2 hours batches. Even if we consider 6 months, it would be on 5 days a week, right? It would be around maybe 240 hours for the batch. And here I would give you 240 hours only in the maths content. In the quantitative ability itself, it would be around 240 hours. So that is the difference. What happens is, here we can only give you utility content because of limited time, right? So utility content means those content which has the best utility, which has more chances of coming in an exam. So we would cover all those 80% questions which come in the exam, but for those other 20% kind of questions, varieties of questions, we might not be able to cover, and we would leave it upon our students, so that thinking that he would be able to adapt, because once the concept is clear, he can adapt. But here we are not going to take any chances. We are going to actually give you all the content that is possible. So you will not find any surprises in your exam. All kinds of questions will be covered in this kind of videos. Getting this? So there is another very important advantage to online courses. All right, let's understand the third point. This is also very important. Like, usually your learning pace is fixed. Like, whether the faculty is teaching you online or in the classroom, they are teaching at the same pace, right? So you will have to pick up the same pace. But here at Bititude, that is a bit different. What happens is, we will give you around 3 hours of content every day, right? And that content starts from the very basic, because we know that some students need to brush up their basics. Fine. So it would be from basics to the top level, right? So what happens is, if there is a student whose basics are weak, who needs to brush up them, he can go at the slower pace. He can actually go through whole 3-hour content, and he will brush up the content, his basics, he will brush up that, and it will be easy for him to understand and grasp the concepts ahead. And if there is somebody who is very intelligent, he will skip the first hour and he will directly focus on the next 2 hours of content. So you can actually learn at your own pace, which is not possible in classroom coaching. So that is another advantage. I think it has got really some very important advantages if you learn online. Let's check it out. Another one, number of tests. Again, because of limited time, we hardly get 2 hours to teach you in a batch every day. So we may not have enough time. We have some weekend tests, right? Tests are there on weekends, on Saturday and Sunday, but they would not be sufficient enough. They would not be enough time to take as many tests as we can take online. Every day we are going to give you at least 2 tests. And for all the tests, you will be getting video solutions. So if there is any doubt, you can actually go to the video solutions. Again, if there is any problem with the concept, you can go back to that video and check it out, which is also not possible in classroom coaching. Fine? All right. And last but very important point, you will be charged high fees in classroom coaching as compared to lower fees in online coaching. Fine. So these are the advantages, but there is one big advantage that you get in classroom coaching. What is that advantage? That is where you get this personal touch of the faculty, right? Because we would have that eye contact. We meet each other on the daily basis. So I would be able to motivate you. I'll be able to understand what problems my students are facing personally, right? What exactly you are doing. why you are not able to set your goals and why you are not able to meet your goals, why your performance is not better. So this personal touch, motivation, this is a bit difficult in online courses, but at Bititude we have also managed a way through it. So what we are going to do it is, we are going to have a 10 to 15 minutes personalized feedback, I would say, meeting, like through Microsoft Teams or through Microsoft Google Meets, something like that, right? We would have that meeting with every student so that we get to know each other, we get to know where you are lacking, we get to motivate you, and we get to make your targets achieved. Fine. So that is what we are going to do, so that that particular advantage of classroom coaching is not missed. Fine. All right. Now, if you have really decided that you are going to go with the classroom coaching, we have to actually compare the two courses, Bititude online courses versus all the other online courses that is available in the market. So let's compare them with the important points. The first point is quality. Now, quality of the content is the most important aspect to clear the exam. What if you are studying somewhere, you are getting all the content which is not sufficient enough to clear that exam? There is no point, right? So first important aspect is this quality. And you know, that's why you are here, right? That's why you are listening to me, that I teach you with logic. I actually teach you the right aptitude. That is why we say learn the right aptitude, right? That is what Bititude is all about, versus the formula method that other, I would say, video and online courses teach you. So this is way better, and I have actually made a video for that as well. In case you have missed it, please hit the I button and watch it. And actually you can go through so many of our videos that are posted on our channel, and you will understand what I am talking about when I say logic. Go through any video and you will understand that. All right. Okay. Next is content. That means the quantity. Well, on most of these other online courses, there are like 10, 20, 30, 50 faculties who are dealing in the same subject, right? So first thing, it is very confusing, because first of all you will be confused whom to choose, because you cannot watch each and every video. Each of them would have got 100 hours of content for maths only. So if for maths 100 hours, but which 100 hours to watch? There will be repetition, right? It will be the same. So there is not like 30 faculties into 100. There is no 3000 hours of content. It's the same content taught by different faculties, right? So it looks like there will be lot of content. There are so many videos there, but it is meaningless, right? Because what we do is, if there are 100 hours of content by 30 faculties, we would have 200 hours of content by one faculty. But it is more, right? Because those 100, 100, it's the same thing. So actually you got only 100 hours of content. I will be giving you twice the content. I'll make sure that all varieties of questions are covered in our videos, so that in real exam you don't find any surprises. Fine? All right. Next thing, ease of learning. As I told you, because of the limited time that is offered to each of those faculties, they have to put all the content in a limited period of time. Whereas here, I will start from the scratch. I'll also give you an idea about basics, which you cannot get there. So for a particular student whose basics are not that clear, for him the learning will be much easier in Bititude platform. Fine? All right. Next thing, personal involvement. But there is no personal involvement as soon as you think about any other online platforms. The faculty does not know even name of even single student, right? They just come on live, they just teach, that's it. Fine, they don't care. Here, to get that point of appreciation and motivation, to get that benefit where we can actually appreciate our student, we can actually motivate them, we can actually guide them. Fine, we can understand their requirement, their need, and we can make it possible that he cracks his relevant exam. What we do is, we get that around 15 minutes time every 3 weeks for a particular student through Google Meet or Microsoft Team, so that it is possible that student does not go in isolation and he feels that I would say feeling of togetherness and as a team. Fine, and that is what will keep him motivated. And this is the most important part, because if you don't have motivation, any of the other things cannot help you. Fine. All right. So now that you understood like why Bititude course is much better than the other courses, hopefully you were convinced and you think that yes, I am pretty determined to join the courses from Bititude. Now let us understand the design. First of all, we are going to give you the online classes. That means every day we are going to give you the content, video content of around 2 to 3 hours. That is what you are getting there every day, and it would cover everything. Fine, from theory to concept to all kind of questions. All varieties of questions will be covered. Nothing, no stone will be unturned, right? Everything will be given there. And still you can have some add-ons. You can actually add on. So this is a basic package, but actually you can add on the test. So if you really want to go with test, like if you really want to practice, so for each and every video there will be a test. You can actually add that package and you can get that test, and with the test comes the video solution. So for every test you will get video solutions as well, so that if there is any doubt, then you can refer back to that video and understand where you lacked or where you made a mistake. Fine. All right. Next is you can add on is very important thing, your live doubt solving lectures, which will be around twice a week, plus your personalized feedback, which I told you. We would have personalized meeting with our students so that we understand their need, their requirement, we can motivate them and we can make that student successful. Fine. All right. And next thing is your mock test. So look, actually you can have, these are two packages, online classes and mock test. Fine, you can have this, may not have this, you can not have this, you can just have this, you can have anything. But in this particular package, you can also add these two things. Fine. So we will actually discuss about the what exactly you get in this in the next step, that is packages. So let us discuss about the Bititude online course packages. First we are going to discuss about the bank PO clerk and staff selection. Fine. All right. So first of all, it's the same thing, the online classes plus tests plus live doubt lectures and mock tests. It's the same thing that you are getting for each section. So there is a section of quantitative ability, reasoning, English, and if you are actually targeting staff selection, you can actually take this another section as well, because there is trigonometry and higher geometry. That is what is asked in that exam. So you can actually add that particular package as well. If you are just going for bank, no need to take that particular course. Here you can have online classes where you would have 150 hours of content in quantitative ability, 50 hours in reasoning, 50 hours in English and 50 hours in higher maths. So if you take this one, look, you can actually take only quant as well. Fine. If you feel that, sir, I am comfortable with all other things, I need only quant, or maybe I need only reasoning, I need only English, accordingly you can select. So you can actually select one particular course as well, or you can select the combination. Here, if you want to go for test, then you can add test to it. You can get 100 hours of video solutions here for just maths, 50 hours here. So you know, in total it makes around 250 hours of maths, 100 hours of reasoning, 100 hours of English in total, theory, questions and test video solution in total. Fine, you are getting the things. Fair enough. All right. Now this is very important. Every week, if you go for these live doubt solving lectures, every week you would have 2 lectures. Once it would be maths and reasoning, next week it would be maths and English, next week it would be around again maths and reasoning, again maths and English. So every week maths would be there, and alternate weeks you will be getting reasoning and English. Fine. And there I have just put once in 3 weeks. Actually it is like 20 lectures in the whole year, around 20 lectures in the whole year. That's why I put around once in 3 weeks, but it won't be really once in 3 weeks. When you would be learning, you would be going through learning higher maths, it would be every week for maybe 3, 4, 5 weeks, right? And then sometimes there wouldn't be any. Then again there would be 3, 4, 5 weeks when you would be learning it, it would be in the same row. right? Like that, consistent lectures would be there. Okay, and last but not the least, mock test. That is very important, right? Because before you really go to take real exams, it's very important to go through that kind of an experience before, so that you get relaxed in the exam. You don't feel anything new, you know, you don't feel that butterflies in your tummy. To get that kind of a comfort, it's very important to take 10 mock tests. So mock test will be designed exactly in the same manner, so that it would be the same kind of atmosphere you feel that you are going to really feel in your exam. So this is very important, and I say for each exam, that means for each exam you can have this, like if you are preparing for IBPS RRB, then you can say, sir, I want 10 mock tests for IBPS RRB. If you want it for SBI PO, then you can have 10 mock tests for SBI PO, 10 mock tests for SBI clerk. They are all different, right? So you can take any of them as per your requirement. Fair enough. Now let's talk about CSAT, Civil Services Aptitude Test. But before that, in case you have any queries about date, fees, anything, then you can actually call on this number. Fine. All right. Let's talk about the CSAT now, that is Civil Services Aptitude Test. In case any student is interested for that, again, it's the same thing. You can have online classes, you can add test to it or live doubt solving to it, and you can have mock test. Fine. Here the sections are maths, reasoning and reading comprehension. So there is no English, there is just reading comprehension. So you can add accordingly. You can have just online classes in which these many hours will be there. 50 hours each in content maths. In reading comprehension you would get 30 hours. You can actually add this test to it. So you can just have, you can also have just this quantitative ability package. That online classes quantitative ability, that's all I want. You can have this. Or maybe you can add test to it, and you can have another 50 hours of video solution here, and 30 hours for reading comprehension. You can also have that, right? Or here live doubt solving would be, maths lecture will be once a week, reasoning lecture will be on the alternate weeks, and reading comprehension will be once a month. Fine, that should be sufficient enough. All right. Of course, 10 mock tests are always important before you go and take the real exam. So 10 mock tests will be available. If you want it for CSAT, it would be for CSAT. If you want it for GPSC, it would be for GPSC. Fair enough. So I hope you had easy time understanding this, and I hope to see you in the real class, right? In my online class. In case you have any queries, please contact this number, call on it. You will get any information on the queries that you have got. Fine. All right. So keep watching, keep learning, keep enjoying.